credit repair business secrets. Understanding your state law. One of the most important things that you need to understand is your state law when you are looking to run a credit repair business. Why? Because your state law will dictate what are the things that you need to comply with. Example, your requirements. What would be your requirements? Contracts. What should be clauses included into your contracts? And of course, how would you advertise your business? All these are pretty much important. That's why you need to know and understand your state law. Let's talk about requirements. First, you have to review your requirements. In reviewing your requirements, you have to know and understand what are the requirements included. Will there be a surety bond that you need to cover? Do you need to register your business? Do you need to pay a licensing fee? All this you have to understand. That's why you have to look into your state law. You have to know where to check. You have to go online and look up your Secretary of State website or the Office of the Attorney General website and look in there. What are the different clauses? What are the different requirements that's included within your state law? You need to know what you're looking for. So you need to go through your state law, not reading your whole state law, but you need to go through looking up your state law that discusses about important matters, regulations, about running and opening up a credit repair business. You need to be compliant at all times. That's why it's important for you to be able to go through your state law and be compliant. Everything within your state law, you have to go through being compliant. There's no other way but to comply to what's within your state law to make sure that you are starting up your business the right way and you can grow your business the right way as well. Now, let's talk about what should be in your contracts. One of the important things that you need to prepare prior to opening up or starting up your business is, of course, a contract. Because you'll be rendering services, you'll be providing or offering services, so there should be a contract. And it is important that your contract falls in line with your state law. It has to fall in line with what your state law requires for your contracts to have. What disclosures should your contracts have? What should be part of your contract? What are the things included into your contract? What clauses should be there? What are the rules and regulations in terms of preparing the contract? All this you have to know, and the only way you would know is if you try to go through and read through your state law. You have to reach out to a lawyer if ever that it is getting confusing or there's something that you're not really understanding. You have to keep in mind that it is different per state when it comes to state law. It is different state by state, so it is different requirements, different things that you need to look for, different things that you need to add within a contract. That's why you have to go through understanding. If in any case you got confused, you can always reach out to a lawyer. You also need to know and understand by reading through your state law when and how to charge your clients. This is very important. You have to know when and how can you charge the client. Now, as soon as you're done reading through and going through necessary things within the contract, it's time for you now to know how to advertise properly. Is there a way of advertising, or is there a false way of advertising? Yes. You need to advertise properly. When we say advertise properly, you always have to base your advertisement on facts. Never lie to anyone. Meaning to say, never use the words guarantee. You cannot guarantee someone that you'll be able to fix their credit in a month. So you have to make sure that you are verifying, you are advertising based on facts. Meaning to say, you are setting and giving out the correct message to anyone that would be able to read through your advertisement. No false advertisement, just like what I mentioned, just like the example. Don't use the word guarantee because you can't really guarantee anyone within these services. That's why you have to be able to make sure that you are advertising them the correct way. Always bring the right message out to any readers of your advertisement. That's why it is important for you to read through your state law to make sure that when you are advertising, you are also still aligned with whatever it is that is listed down within your state law. You always have to choose the right way in terms of managing, running, opening up your business, and that includes advertising for your business. You always have to choose the right way. So in doing so, or to make sure that you're choosing the right way, just go through, understand your state law. Again, in order for you to look into your state law, you have to go to your Secretary of State or Office of the Attorney General for more information. And do not hesitate to reach out to a lawyer if in any case that you are confused on what you are reading through. Being compliant means following all the rules and regulations in your state law, and that's important for us to be compliant in this kind of business. Now, thank you so much for reaching the end of this video. And since you reached the end of this video, I'm giving you a free step-by-step guide on how to start and run a credit repair business. Just simply click the link below in the description box. You'll be receiving Starting a Credit Restoration Business Blueprint, step-by-step in detail guide on any of your startup needs.